So investments are like these eggs, very fragile things, and you should handle them with a ton of care. If you have all of them in a basket, the basket can be stolen or fallen off, and you wouldn't want that to happen to you. That's why diversification exists. If you had 2 baskets, you will still have some eggs by now, and that can go a long way. The core idea is simple. A diversified portfolio contains a mix of asset types and investment vehicles, which reduces risk. If one investment declines, the impact on your overall portfolio is reduced by the investment that does well. So how do you diversify? Well, studies suggest that a diversified portfolio of 25 to 30 stocks is great for risk reduction. But diversification isn't just about the number of stocks. It involves spreading your investments across various asset classes like real estate. The goal is to stay balanced as market conditions can change drastically. Holding diverse asset types helps ensure that when one investment falls off, others can compensate by providing a hedge against market volatility. Remember, the goal of diversification is to smooth out risk by balancing your portfolio to protect you against the unknowns of the markets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. You'll thank me later.